Your credit score is not designed to help you. It is designed to control you. And the banks that created it have spent decades making sure you never fully understand how it actually works, because the moment you do, their power over your financial life begins to disappear. Today I am exposing exactly how the credit score system really works, who profits from it, and the exact steps to turn it from a weapon against you into a tool that works for you. Stay with me. What I am about to show you will make you genuinely angry. Welcome to Money Blueprint, real wealth strategies for real people. Subscribe because I post new content every single day. Here is the first thing you need to understand about your credit score. It was not created by the government. It was not created to protect consumers. It was created in 1989 by a private company called Fair Isaac Corporation, which you know as FICO, specifically to help lenders assess risk and maximize their lending profits. Your score exists to make banks money. Every single element of how it is calculated was designed with that goal in mind. Not yours. Here is exactly how your score is calculated, and why each element benefits lenders more than you. Element 1. Payment history, 35% of your score. This makes sense on the surface. Pay on time score goes up. Miss a payment score goes down. Simple, right? Here is what they do not tell you. A single missed payment can drop your score by 100 points overnight. But building that score back up takes 12 to 24 months of perfect payments. The punishment is instant and severe. The recovery is slow and difficult. That asymmetry is not accidental, it keeps you anxious and compliant. Element 2. Credit utilization, 30% of your score. This is the percentage of your available credit that you are currently using. Keep it below 30%, they say. Below 10% for maximum points. Here is the trap. To have a high score, you need to have credit cards open and available, but barely use them. This system literally rewards you for having debt available while punishing you for using it. It is perfectly engineered to keep you in a permanent relationship with credit products, which is exactly what banks want. Element 3. Length of credit history, 15% of your score. The longer your credit accounts have been open, the better your score. This means closing old credit cards, even ones you never use, actually hurts your score. Banks want you keeping accounts open forever. Open accounts mean potential spending. Potential spending means potential interest charges. Your score is literally designed to keep you tethered to old accounts indefinitely. Element 4. Credit mix, 10% of your score. Having multiple types of credit, cards, loans, mortgages, improves your score. The system literally rewards you for having more debt products. Not for being financially responsible. For having more types of debt. This single element has convinced millions of people to take on unnecessary loans just to improve their score, which is exactly the behavior banks designed it to encourage. Element 5. New credit inquiries, 10% of your score. Every time you apply for new credit, your score drops slightly. This keeps people from shopping around for better rates, which would create competition among lenders and lower their profits. The system punishes comparison shopping. That is not consumer protection. That is cartel behavior dressed up as a financial metric. Now here is where it gets genuinely interesting. Your credit score has an enormous impact on your financial life: mortgage rates, car loan rates, insurance premiums, apartment applications, even job applications in some states. A difference of 100 points on your credit score can cost you tens of thousands of dollars over a lifetime in higher interest rates alone. Understanding how to maximize it is not optional, it is essential. Here are the exact steps to take control of your credit score starting today. Step 1. Check your credit report immediately, not just your score. Go to annualcreditreport.com, the only federally mandated free credit report site. Download your full report from all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Studies show approximately 1 in 5 credit reports contains errors that negatively impact scores. 1 in 5. If yours has an error, you have the legal right to dispute it and have it removed. This single step has improved scores by 50 to 100 points for millions of people, for free, overnight. Step 2. Get your utilization below 10% immediately. If you carry credit card balances, pay them down aggressively. If you cannot pay them down, immediately call your credit card company and request a credit limit increase. A higher limit with the same balance means lower utilization and a higher score. This works even if you are not paying down the debt immediately. Step 3. Never close old credit cards. Even if you never use them. Even if you hate the company. Keep them open with a small recurring charge, a streaming subscription for example, and pay it in full every month. Your length of credit history and available credit both improve automatically. Step 4. Become an authorized user on someone else's account. If you have a family member or trusted friend with excellent credit and a long credit history, ask them to add you as an authorized user on one of their oldest accounts. You do not need to actually use the card. Their positive history transfers to your report immediately. This is one of the fastest legitimate score improvement strategies available. Step 5. Use credit cards strategically, never emotionally. The highest credit scores belong to people who use credit cards for regular purchases and pay the full balance every single month. They earn rewards, points, cashback, and travel miles, essentially getting paid by the credit card company, while paying zero interest and building perfect credit simultaneously. The credit card company profits from merchants, not from them. Understanding this flips the entire credit card relationship in your favor. Here is the bottom line about your credit score. It is a system designed primarily to benefit lenders. But once you understand exactly how it works, you can use that same system to your advantage, accessing lower interest rates, better terms, and more financial opportunities than people who remain confused by it. Knowledge is the only thing that converts the credit score from a tool of control into a tool of empowerment. You now have that knowledge. Subscribe to Money Blueprint because every single day I expose the financial systems designed to work against you and show you exactly how to make them work for you instead. And tell me in the comments, what is your current credit score and what is your biggest credit challenge right now? I really enjoy every single comment and I genuinely want to know. Your situation might be exactly what someone else needed to hear about today. Everything you need to take control of your credit score is linked in the description below. Your financial empowerment starts right now.